Good evening, YouTube. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day out there. Welcome to another episode of Life with Brian. We are heading to the oldest restaurant in Houston, which is called Christie's. It's been open since 1917. They specialize in seafood, but they have steaks and other fare as well. Ironically, we've never been here. I've been in Houston since like 2006. My wife's been here even longer. Both of us have never been to Christie's, so we're a little bit nervous, but hopefully it'll be good. You know, if you've been around since 1917, you're doing something right. Hopefully. So let's check it out, see how everything looks and tastes.
Is it a nice restaurant?
So it looks like this restaurant actually has been open since 1917. So I think I'm going to go with the 1917 famous fish sandwich, which was an original menu item back in 1917 apparently. So definitely going to try the seafood here, see what the hype is all about. Alright, let's start with the appetizers. We ordered a shrimp chowder, which I've never heard of before, but it looks very much like regular clam chowder. Shrimp chowder is very, very good. Try the calamari. The crab claws, crab fingers. Crab fingers are very good. They're very meaty, they're very big. Some places like at Papados are very small and there's barely any meat on them. Appetizers are good. The shrimp here is very good. Almost has like a crab or even lobster consistency to it. Shrimp is very good. We were asking the waitress, since it's our first time here, she said the shrimp is very popular. So yeah, shrimp's very good, especially in the chowder. Thank you, ma'am. The famous 1917 fish sandwich.
The butter,
Okay, the entrees just came out, guys, and I got the famous 1917 fish sandwich and their famous fried shrimp on the side. Let's try the shrimp first. Their shrimp is really good. It almost has like a crab and a lobster taste and consistency.
Look at this. Huge piece of lobster.
It's very good. Yeah, their fried shrimp is excellent. We tried their fish sandwich. I think they said it's red snapper, if I'm not mistaken. But how you're supposed to eat this thing? In
there's like I've got like a quarter of that. So there's like a huge dish left.
My brother's
And rice. You guys want some?
my brother's salad.
Salad was salad. He's asking where's my salad.
The fish is crispy and flaky. It's delicious. The bread is not overly toasted. Tomatoes are very fresh. I think they said this is snapper. It's really good. Really good. Going in for a third bite here. Definitely better than the average fish sandwich you get at McDonald's or Burger King.
Can I have a cracker? I like you.
Delicious, yes. Life-changing, maybe not, but still very good.
Can you have me that cracker?
But the shrimp, the fried shrimp is definitely the star of the show. Really good shrimp. So we just finished our meal at Christie's, guys, and I was very, very, very pleasantly surprised. Again, this is the oldest restaurant in Houston, open since 1917. I've been in Houston since like 2005, 2006. Never been here. My wife's never been here. And just like our experience at Laurenzo's not too long ago, we definitely have been missing out. The food is fantastic. The service is even better. Some of the dishes were better than others, but you know, definitely check out the fried shrimp or really anything with the shrimp. I highly recommend. The shrimp chowder was delicious. The fried shrimp was delicious. The famous 1917 fish sandwich was delicious as well. My boys got the king crab. That was also very good. My wife got grilled salmon, and I can't stand salmon, guys. I mean, okay, I take that back. I don't eat grilled salmon. I eat, obviously, salmon sushi all the time, but grilled salmon is pretty boring to me, and I never, ever eat it. But here, the salmon was delicious. It was flaky, perfectly seasoned. Easily probably the best baked salmon I've ever had in my life. Grilled salmon, actually. Yeah, so definitely, very, very impressed with this place. Very, very sad and sorry I've not eaten here more often, but my family and I will definitely be coming back to Christie's. Again, the service is fantastic. Again, open since 1917. Seafood is very, very fresh. Not even the type of stuff you get at Papados, guys, or even Trulux. Just the quality of seafood I'm very, very impressed at. And if you're driving by the street looking at this place, you wouldn't think that inside this place has such great seafood, but very, very impressed, guys. Easily 9 out of 10 for me. One of the best seafood experiences I've had in a while. So if you're in the mood for seafood or you're a big seafood junkie, definitely check out Christie's, oldest restaurant in Houston. Been doing this since 1917, and they've been here for a reason. So check them out. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, like and subscribe. Hope to catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.